Gimana rasanya cari bahan-bahan sendiri?
Capek.
Very creamy. Guys, eat.
Oke.
Let's get.
Halo guys, sekarang kita lagi ada di mana?
Eric's Place.
Eric's Place. Sekarang kita lagi melihat cook Italiano. Cook
Please
carbonara.
stop to make carbonara with cream, guys. The real cream is this one.
Oke, so jadi Eric dan temannya sedang membuat carbonara asli dari Itali dan menunjukkan carbonara yang asli. Yuk, kita lihat. What is this?
Bro, this is the real cream.
Okay. Can you tell me about the ingredients?
The ingredients?
Yep.
We have to use like eggs. Like it depends how many people you are, but
Yeah.
I think like for like
yolk, each
five.
person.
Yeah.
More or less.
One eggs per person, but
Okay.
only two in the eggs. Free only the yellow part of the eggs. You know,
Okay.
Okay.
only the how to call that word?
Egg yolk.
Egg yolk. Egg
Yolk, come back.
Yolk.
Yolk is the yellow one.
Okay. And then you have to mix
Mix
everything. Yes.
With
Pepper and parmesan, but it's better with pecorino romano
Pecorino Romano.
because it's the cheese that came from the sheep.
Oke.
Very salty.
Oke. Kita sebagai orang Indonesia ikutin aja ya.
Yeah.
Iyain aja deh. Yang penting
I'm
jadi.
actually a minor.
Oke.
Saya kayak kaum minoritas, tapi
Yeah.
saya menghargai teman-teman yang Muslim.
Ya. Emang nih satu teman
So-
agak aneh nih. Tuh lihat
So
aja makan.
we change the pork
Oh, yeah,
with
yeah.
what?
Pokoknya kita ada yang namanya bahan guanciale.
How to say?
Guanciale.
Guanciale.
Oh, sorry, guanciale. Jadi ada namanya guanciale, itu adalah terbuat dari pipi daging babi. Nah, tapi karena kita mayoritas Muslim di sini, jadi kita ganti dengan smoked beef. Dan seorang Eric, he made of us because we can eat guanciale.
Because he wants to make the real carbonara with the pork, but
Yeah.
he can't.
Eric, what is this? What do you do now?
Now I'm cooking
Yeah.
the smoked beef.
Smoked beef, not guanciale. I don't know who was made about guanciale.
Guanciale,
Yeah.
I think it's actually difficult to find here.
Indonesia.
It's like salami.
Yeah, I know salami.
But this is salami. This is
Salami is thick.
But it seems like salami.
sorry, let me stop your phone.
This guy is very excited.
The problem is no, I'm not excited. I'm fucking hungry. I'm hungry.
Both of them.
Angry and hungry.
Traditional method, huh?
Yeah, it's traditional method.
Very traditional.
Bro, this is a plate just for our friend Vera because she cannot eat the
What?
the meat because she's vegetarian.
Ah, okay.
So we have to make a plate just for that.
Welcome back. So,
Very creamy.
creamy. So, my chef, our chef.
Bro, you guys, you cannot understand.
Oke. Kita sebagai orang Indonesia ikutin aja deh. Ya nggak sih?
Bro, you cannot understand. Bro.
Ya.
The
Kita yang penting makan.
passion we use in this plate.
Oke, just follow our chef. Chef Eric Damarco.
Ma quanto è bello, svillo? Non pensavo.
Look the creamy. Look the creamy down. Look. Gimana rasanya cari bahan-bahan sendiri?
Capek. Lu nggak dapat keju lagi.
Iya. Pokoknya di sini
Very hard
kita
to-
dilayanin oleh kedua chef dari Itali. Langsung nggak sih?
Langsung guys.
Iya. Ini dia
Tim
tim masak. Kita tim orang.
Iya, tim orang.
Oke. Oke.
Significa è scappato un po' di
Iya.
Delicioso.
Iya, mau terus masukin
very
rasa sih,
good.
kalau
How to say delicioso? Delicioso.
delizioso.
Delicioso.
Delizioso.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Piacere sapere i good pronunciation.
Thank you very much.
Delicioso.
I'm a natural, you know?
Okay.
How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Iya.
If you got
Carbonara by Chef Eric datang langsung dari Italia
also Leo.
dan Leo.
Eric. Eric text.
And also woman, you know what?
Isti dari mana aja? Datang dari jam 8. Oh iya lupa. Eric, thank you so much.
Guys,
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, guys.
Grazie. Eric, grazie. Leo, grazie. Okay, Eric. Eric, are you hungry?
I thought you guys already. No, I wanna buy something for the one who cannot eat meat.
Okay.
This one is the one is the same. This one is the same, but it's more bigger. And this one, I think you just all the same too. And this one is the real one, but not the fucking real one. Guys, eat.
50%.
Okay. Let's get as you as a chef, you have to share to us.
Chef, this is the
Yeah, yeah, chef. You have to serve to us one by one.
Serve it?
Yeah.
Come on, please take the fucking spoon and eat, guys. It's king.
Leo, are you excited?
Very excited.
Very excited.
I'm so excited.
Hi, say hi. Hi.
In the last minute,
What do you mean?
when he invites.
This one is funny.
This one.
Yeah. I was so busy
Which one?
with the beef.
Not chili sauce.
No, she
Delicioso.
One pepper. Extra
Kalau
pepper.
kalian datang ke Italia, wajib telepon dia.
Also extra cheesy.
Selamat. Isti, how do you feel the test about the carbonara by Chef Eric DeMarco?
Guys, before it,
Not chili sauce.
Okay.
Eric,
if I ate some sauce, chili sauce,
bro, you wanna go? We wanna jump from the window?
It's like an assaulting sport in Italy. Assaulting.
Do you feel hungry?
actually I just had my dinner, but looking at this, I wanna eat again.
Okay.
Because who's the cooker?
Yes.
Yeah.
Joy
And Leo.
and Leo. Thanks to you guys.
Hey guys.
First reaction.
Thank you. Oke, kita lanjut makan.
I want to.
And what about for you? Because you're Asian, is it good for you?
Eric, I love it. Leo, thank you so much.
Considering that the Buon appetito.
Okay, one, two, three. Buon appetito. Lumayan lah pas sahur nih.
Leo son. Today is what, 10? Today is 9. So like 3 tomorrow.
His and Thailand. He looks like a Thailand worker.
To honor
Leo,
the chef.
sudah mau nonton masuk ke TV Prime nih.
Oh, yang itu nih.
Nah, io perché mi trovo fermo meglio.
So any of you guys speak Italiano?
No.
No, only
That's the Russian.
Yeah, Russian. Vietnamese, Laos, Norwegian. Aku tahu semua. Guys, gimana dinner malam ini? Eric, thank you so much for dinner tonight, guys.
My pleasure.
Oke. Bagaimana perasaannya?
It's good, tapi kita terlalu berisik.
How do you feel eating carbonara by Eric?
Very nice.
I'm full, but maybe in 1 hour I will be.
Full.
No, in 1 hour I will be hungry again.
Hi guys, how do you feel eat carbonara by Eric?
Full.
Full. So thank you so much yang udah nonton vlog gua di hari ini, dinner di malam hari dari Eric DeMarco. So thank you so much, sampai jumpa di video gua selanjutnya. Bye bye.